What's up guys, Shane Starnes here. The iPhone 14 Pro Max has been out for a couple of weeks now. You may be looking for the perfect solution for protecting the screen. I'm going to show you guys the best screen protector that I've found. Let's go ahead and get started. This video is sponsored by SKG. I spend most of my day scrolling through emails and looking at a screen. If I'm not in front of my desktop, I'm usually looking at a phone screen, and over time that can cause eye fatigue. For me, it shows up in one of my eyes twitching, and that usually lasts for a couple of weeks once it gets started. The SKG E7 2-in-1 vibration heated eye massager is the solution for severe electronic related eye fatigue. The eye massager uses heat and 12 motors to help achieve acupressure like results. The acupressure vibration massage can effectively relax eye pain around the eyes and improve overall sleep quality. The heat therapy also improves blood circulation to help reduce eye fatigue. This headset is adjustable to fit up to 95% of head shapes and sizes, and the adjustable strap means that you can adjust it to fit any head in your family. The whole family can use this unit. This even includes Bluetooth connectivity, so you can connect it to your phone, and the speakers output music so that you can really get into a relaxed state while you're massaging your eyes. A single charge lasts up to 180 minutes thanks to the built-in 1500 milliamp hour battery. Overall, if you're looking for a way to relieve stress, relieve eye fatigue, the SKG E7 is definitely the perfect eye massager. I'll be sure to include links in the description of where you can pick yours up today. Let's go ahead and get this out of the box and see what all it comes with. All right, looks like we have our instruction guide just showing us exactly what we need to do for the perfect install. We do have our screen protector here. They've given us a guide, so getting this installed is going to be super simple. And then you have your dust removal and your cleaning package. I always recommend to go ahead and turn the display off. That way you can see all of the dust that's on the screen and make sure that you get this nice and clean. So I noticed that in the cleaning kit, they include a cloth and a dust removal film. If you've had your phone for a little while and there's makeup and grime and things like that, you may want to pick up a Zeiss lens cleaner. There's just an alcohol swab. These are super cheap on Amazon. You could just search alcohol swab and find what you need. I don't think I actually need this right now because this is a brand new phone. So I'm just gonna hit this with the dust cloth and get as much of the oils from my fingerprints off of here as possible. It's super important to get this clean because any kind of dust or grease or anything like that can come between the screen protector and the phone and cause bubbling, so do be sure that you get all the dirt and dust off the phone. Another tip, I do like to use a flashlight to illuminate any dust that may have been left behind, and overall this looks pretty clean. I'm not seeing, there's a little bit of dust up top here and a little bit of grease. Hit that. And I think we're good on dust. I don't actually see any dust on the screen. Next up, we're gonna apply our guide. You'll notice that it's labeled top and bottom. So of course the top goes up by the camera, the bottom goes by the charge port, and we're just gonna slide that in place and click it in place. Don't touch the phone if you can help it. You'll notice that this does have an adhesive film, so go ahead and peel this film back. Hold it by the edges. Don't touch the screen itself. And you can flip this and set it in place using the guide, and it should be a perfect fit. All right, touch it in the middle and it should expand. You can use the cloth here to kind of swipe it if there's any bubbling that takes place. The bubbles will remove themselves generally within 24 hours, but if you see any that pop up, do go ahead and move them out with the cleaning cloth. As such, there was one that appeared up top here. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my Plasma Series case to kind of check for case compatibility. And it looks like we're good here with the screen protector and the case. Display still looks perfect, colors look great, brightness is great, and it feels like I don't even have a screen protector on the phone. That's one thing that I love about a tempered glass screen protector. You still get the glass touch and feel of just using the plain screen device. All right guys, I'll be sure to include links in the description of where you can pick up this screen protector from Urban Armor Gear. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.